This is the Haylou W1 True Wireless Earbuds. It was released on 1st of June 2021. It comes in two colors, white and blue. And the price of this on this side of the planet is $5.99, which is equivalent to $32 US. Now, some of the specs on these include the nose balanced armature driver for stunning sound, Bluetooth 5.2, 20 hours battery life, that is 6 hours playtime, and 20 hours from the charging case. The Qualcomm QCC3040 fast transmission. We've got 4 mics and a touch control. These all sound like mid-range specs, but let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. Let's go. So when you open the box, this is what you get. USB Type-C charging cable. Put that aside. Extra ear tips. I want to bet that is the small and the large. Aside. And we have the Haylou W1 True Wireless Earbuds charging case with the earbuds inside. Okay, this is the white version. If you look here, I don't know if you can see it, maybe because it's just white, but on top here you have the Heylou logo and pretty much nothing else except for the USB charging port at the back. No extra specs written on it. Usually they have the specs written here or maybe on the inside. Maybe when we pop it open, we'll see. Okay, nice plastic. There's a velvety feeling to it, like a matte feel to it. So no fingerprint magnet, no fingerprints on it, so that's good. All right, let's pop this open. Let's see what it looks like inside. There we go. All right, no extra specs on these. This looks really. I like this silver accent, really. I like. Okay, let's do a shake test quickly. See how strong the magnet is. All right, it's in place. Very strong magnet. Ooh, have a problem actually trying to take it out. That is very good. Now you're sure you're getting the proper charge when you put it in your pocket while it's charging. This is good. All right, let's take this out and see what it looks like. There we go. Ooh, I really like this silver accent. It's really nice. I like this. Okay, this is the Haylou W1 earbud. I like the fact that it's got a stem to it. I would like to see a Haylou product in the form of the inner ear, but this also works. This also works. This is nice. Okay, this works. Very soft silicone ear tip. Very, very soft. That means less pressure in your ear. That's very good. Got some mic here and the mic here and another one right there. These are the charging plates. Very good. There's no button here, so this must be a touch control and maybe just on this section, right? And we've got the Heylou name. I like the way it feels. I like the way it looks. Now let's put this on and do a fit test and see if it feels as good as it looks when you put it on. Let's go. Fit test. Oh wow. Woo! Wow, this is super comfortable. Wow, so comfortable. All right. Yeah, not falling off anytime soon. You see, this is the thing. This is the advantage I think that earbuds with a stem has got over the earbuds that are designed to stay in the ear. You see, this part of the stem acts as like a hinge. Would I say hinge? Yeah, it acts as a hinge that actually clips down on your ear, so it fits. It's not painful. There's no pressure. It is just fits. It's just locks in. Wow, that is very comfortable. And the ear tip is very soft, so it's very comfortable inside the ear. It also helps to keep the earbud in your ear, but it is very comfortable. Wow. This is super comfortable. I could wear this all day. This is very comfortable. Very comfortable. And it's not going anywhere. Very comfortable. Wow. All right. Great fit. All right, let's pair these. See how easy it is to do. Let's go. That was a great fit test. Really comfortable. All right, it's time for us to pair. And you know, like we always do in every video, I always tell you, put it back in the ear case. Put it back in the charge case. Get your phone in. There we go. Take it out of the charge case. Don't worry. I know it sounds dumb. Just trust the process. Trust the process. And then you scan. While you're scanning, you're giving enough time for these two to connect to each other. There we go. And then you search, you scan, and right there you find it. And there you pair. And it's paired. What is that? 3 seconds, 4 seconds, maybe less. Easy peasy. And they're both paired. You're not going to have any problems of one of them falling off and you'll be like, oh, what's happening? The reason why that happens is because you did not pair them correctly. When they're correctly paired, you're not going to have that problem. This is easy, very easy. Haylou W1 True Wireless Earbuds. Now, what do I think of this? After just listening to it right now, I'll tell you this. Very good sound, very good, very clear, very balanced. Okay, let me not go ahead and say very balanced. Let me say balanced. Good highs, good lows, nothing extraordinary. It's something I would expect from a Haylou sound. Now, comparing this to another earbud, different story. But this, for a sound, for Haylou as a brand, this is what I expect from it. It would have been nice if it was crispier. If you know what I mean, if it was crispier than that. Otherwise, very, very good sound. I'd have no problem buying this except for one reason. If you watch this channel very well, you know how I feel about volume controls. I do not think in 2023 we should still have earbuds that do not have volume controls. It's now a pet peeve of mine. I can't stand it. I would not get that because of this. But otherwise, very good sound. Alright, let us summarize. After using this for 2 weeks, these are my observations. Number 1. The fit. Now, the fit of this, very, very good. No pressure in your ear. You could actually put this on the whole day. I used it for my exercises. I used it for a run. It was comfortable. Did not fall off because I was sweating. The long stem acts like a clip that actually, puts it in place. So yeah, very, very good for your exercises if you want to use that for. It is clear. It is good. Very good. It's got a Bluetooth 5.2 connection, so at 10 meters to your device, very steady, very constant at 10 meters. Call quality, great. It's normal, it's clear. People would hear you, you hear them. In fact, here's what it sounds like. TOB family, this is a mic test of the Haylou W1 True Wireless Earbuds. If you can hear my voice right now, this is what you sound like when you're on a phone call. Tell me what you think. Let's go. Now, battery power for this, you'll get 20 hours battery power, and that includes the power from the charging case. I think that's fair enough for the whole day. You could use it throughout the whole day. Would I get this? Yes and no. If the volume control does not bother me as much, I would get this. But unfortunately, it does. So I will not get this for that singular reason. No volume control. If it does not bother you, you should get this. It is a good sound for the price. It's a steal. If the volume control does not bother you. But for me, it bothers me, so I will not get it. But I think you can get this. So this is a good option for you. Thank you for watching the video up till the end. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like the video, give it a thumbs up anyways. It does not take anything from you, but it helps the channel. If there's something you'd like to see on this channel, leave it in the comment section or send me an email. Until next time, take care.